Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we are going to review Colson's Moldon Polyurethane aluminum core wheels. This is a Colson poly-on aluminum wheel. Polyurethane is permanently bonded to a durable aluminum core. Its hardness or durometer is 95A. To look at it differently, the tread hardness is roughly equivalent to that of a phone cord. Poly-on aluminum wheels feature a maroon tread. The wheel face is flat, which allows it to have a higher load capacity. Poly-on aluminum wheels are available in 4x2, 5x2, 6x2, or 8x2 sizes. Poly-on aluminum wheels are easy rolling, durable, quiet, floor protectant, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -45 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, resistant to chemicals and grease, and resistant to floor debris. Poly-on aluminum wheels are lightweight and capable of long service under heavy loads. Depending on size, poly-on aluminum wheels can support up to 1,500 pounds per wheel. Poly-on aluminum wheels can be fitted with mini bearing options, including Tolerant, roller, or precision ball bearings. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Moldon Polyurethane aluminum core wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.